Hello all, welcome to my channel Sarah's Multi Moms. So Nitya here again with another interesting video for you guys, that is fridge organization. So if you organize your fridge in a clutter-free manner, you can enjoy your cooking surely. So how do I organize my fridge and all the other things I'll be showing in this video. So let us go and watch what is the things I have arranged in my fridge and how I have arranged. I'm the kind of person who loves arranging and decorating outside the fridge more than organizing inside. So let me show how I have organized a little bit things outside the fridge and how I have made it more functional by organizing the things outside, and then we'll go into the inside of the fridge. So first of all, in my fridge top, I will show you what are the things I have arranged. So the non-refrigerated items like potato, tomato and onions I have kept in a wired basket like behind, so it will be easy for me to access if I place it above my fridge, so I no need to go around when I cook. And I have placed a fruit basket and I have hung my bananas and I have kept my fruits in there, so I love the way how it turned up. And I have kept one pineapple and just some vegetables like for the ornamental decoration purpose. And apart from that, I have kept my breakfast cereals over there because it will be easy for me to access. So these are the things I have arranged in my fridge top. So it will be very easy if you arrange all the things related to cooking above your fridge so that you can easily access while you cook your food. So that's it. I have all the things arranged in my fridge top. So this is the first thing in my fridge organization. And secondly, coming to the top door of the fridge, this part I love it very much. I'll be keep on changing the fridge magnet and decorations over there. I have stuck few stickers of fruits and veggies over there, and along with that I have just kept my baby's photo, so which is very cute. I love that. And also I have some fridge magnets of vegetables and some leafy vegetables, and my favorite cupcake this magnet I have kept over here. So these are the things I have kept on the top door of the fridge, just a decoration one. And in the below door I have hung a hand towel over there just to wipe my hands whenever I touch the fridge to keep it clean. So that's it. And also this is very cute, I hope. So coming to one side of the fridge, what I have kept over here is I have placed a notepad, that is a magnetic notepad which you can like have it over your fridge. Why I have kept this this particular notepad over here is I'll be writing my daily task in this notepad. Meanwhile, I'll be writing the groceries which has got over then and there, because next time when you go for grocery, then surely you'll not forget things what you have to get for the next time. So this tip you have to remember, because every time when we come back from the grocery, we'll be saying that, oh god, I missed a thing. So that's the thing which happens to me always. So that's the reason I have this notepad, and I'll be writing all the grocery which has got over, and I'll be carrying the paper along with me when I go for the grocery the subsequent time. So this is on the one side. And let me show you on the other side of the fridge. So see, these are the magnetic tins which stick into your fridge. So why I have kept these tins is these are spice organizers. This will save your space also in the countertop, because if you have these kind of magnetic things which is attached to your fridge, then you don't have to have a special place in your kitchen countertop to fill all your most used spices. So here I'll have only the often used spices, which will be very easy. These are the things which I have kept outside the fridge, and I hope it is very functional if you also have the same kind of organization, or like whatever you prefer according to your convenience. So now let's go inside and see what I have and how I have arranged things in my refrigerator. I personally don't prefer to go for the frozen foods, but certain foods we can get only in the frozen form over here. So those are the things I have kept it in my freezer. So first thing is my parathas. Like this is a ready-made one, since even though it is not very healthy, but taste buds always ask for the one, right? So I have kept all my parathas over here, and my ice cream box. Then this is a green peas which is a frozen one, and this is a frozen samosa. And here I have kept some chicken, frozen chicken, and this is waffles, and again it is a mini pizza dough, and this one is your pastry sheets. And in the door I have kept only a few chocolates and also ice cream, an ice cube tray. So that's it for the frozen part. This need not to be have much organization, because I have only a few things, and also those things are arranged properly without any baskets or proper organization. So these are the things I have kept in my freezer. So next, moving on to the second largest parts of the refrigerator. So I'll tell you rack by rack how I have arranged. So first of all, I have kept the milk can over here, because we'll use it very often in a day, maybe 4-5 times. So I have just kept it in the front part, so it will be easy for me to access. So behind that, what I have kept is, I have kept an organizer like this. So I have arranged all my butter over the milk can. I have kept an organizer like this, wherein I have arranged all my butter. Since we used to have a lot of variety of butter, I have just kept it like in an organizer. It will be easy for me to access. So these both are like plain butters, and these are with canola oil, that is for like spreading in your bread or something like that, like you can use. So this is the butters I have. So I have just organized in a separate organizer, since I have a lot. And this thing, I have all my shredded cheese and the marble cheese, which I will be using in my sandwich, and my curd. So in this tray, like I have in this thing bin, I have only those. And here every South Indian will have it in their refrigerator. This is the dosa batter. So I have just kept it in a jug, because it will be very easy if you keep some container in this shape. Then it will not occupy much of your space in the refrigerator, since we will have only a limited space to organize our things. And behind that, I have organized the eggs in the tray. So like we'll be having eggs daily, so I have just a lot of eggs over there. And so pretty much that is in the first thing. So all the things which I'll use most often, and all the dairy products, like will be kept in the first rack of the refrigerator. And also I have kept those things behind, like in the far behind. It is because like the dairy products needs much chillness, and the far behind area of the refrigerator gives a very cold air. So I have just kept all those things over there. So pretty much like whatever things I use daily basis are kept in the first rack. And also see, I have just have separate bins for each of those things. It is because if you want a butter, you can just pull out the tray and take. If you want some curd or cheese, you can just take this out and you can keep and use, and later you can replace that. So all these things, it will be easy when you group according to their use, and also group according to their category and categorize the things. It will be very useful for you to access the things. So coming to the next section of the fridge, you can see it is very much organized, I hope, because I have only trays inside which I have kept all the things. So in the first tray, I have kept all my canned foods. So all the canned vegetables and the fish and the yeast and everything I have grouped in a basket, and I have kept these things. I'll use it very rarely, so I have just kept it in a basket and I have kept it over here. And here I'll have some random vegetables. I have kept cucumber, and I have kept my green chilies over here in this basket. And in the next basket, I have kept all my coriander and mint and also my curry leaves over here in this basket. So whenever I cook, I'll just take this basket out, because every time when we cook, we'll surely need curry leaves and coriander leaves and mint, like in most of our dishes. So I have kept this over here. And here in the last part, I have just kept some yogurt tubes for my baby, and also Pediasure. So all her things, I'll just keep it in one bin, so that it will be very easy for us to access. So I have just categorized each and everything, and I have kept it in a separate bin, so it will be very easy to take, and also we'll remember where we have kept each and everything. And coming to the next session, here I have a lot of space. It's because I have just kept this place for the leftovers, and also I have a plastic bin over here. This is for the veg, because every time when we cut onions or vegetables, we'll be having a small portion of the vegetables or onions like left outside, so which is not very good. So that is the reason I have kept this bin. So whenever I use this, so whenever I have the leftover vegetables, I'll be putting it in that bin, so that I'll know I can use it for the very next time whenever I cook. So here in this one I have lemons and limes over here. So here I have some ginger in this bin, and this mushroom comes in a packing, so I have just left it as such, so I have not organized it in any bins or something like that. Here I have some lettuce in the cover, and I have some coconuts, and also I have some dates over there, and here is the bell pepper. So this is pretty much empty because I'll be keeping all the new things and leftovers over here in this rack. So in the lower part we have two separate plastic drawer kind of pull drawer kind of thing. In one I have arranged all the vegetables, and in other I have kept fruits. See, vegetables also I have just kept in a Ziploc bag, and I have just placed it one behind the other, so that you will know what kind of vegetables you have. And also it will be very easy when you take it out. Also you can see like how many vegetables you have, and like what are the vegetables you have to cook this week, which is going to get rotten. So everything you will know if you keep like this. So this is a very easy arrangement, because if you just dump all your vegetables, in one single place, it will be very difficult to see like what you have. And also meanwhile, like if you keep in this airtight zip bags, it will be very useful, and the vegetables will not get spoiled very soon. So one side I will keep all my vegetables, and in one side I'll keep all my fruits over here. So I have kept all my apple, grapes, and black blueberries and everything over here. So this is pretty much the organization inside the main compartment of my fridge. So I have used lot of bins and a lot of airtight Ziploc bags. It is because only to save the place. I hope that my refrigerator was almost full when I have not arranged this, and I forgot to attach a before picture of my refrigerator. So when I have arranged things and categorized according to their category, so it was really useful, and it was very clutter-free, and I had lot of space for more things. And one more thing is, like, don't try to keep all boxes kind of things in your fridge. Like if you have a Ziploc bags, it is more than sufficient. It will be easy, and also like it will take less space. And coming to the door part, like the things which doesn't need more cold or chillness, I have just arranged in the door of my refrigerator. So this is like a miscellaneous rack. Like I'll be placing all the sauces and the leftover butter from my last dish, everything I'll be like keeping it over there. And here I have kept the peanut butter and a pudding snack over here in the first thing. So the second rack has all these sauces. I have kept soy sauce, chili sauce, and pretty much like those two I have over there. And on the other side I have my ginger garlic paste and my pickle, olives, and jam over here. So coming to the last rack, I have kept ranch, mustard, and ketchup, and mayonnaise, and some of the fruit juices over here in this last thing. So it is very... So friends, if you like my organization video, then surely give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel Sarah's Multimom, because much more interesting videos are coming ahead for you guys. So let me get back to you all with another interesting video by tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.